Hi, and welcome to the next video in the affiliate marketing series. And this video we're going to talk about using pre-sale autoresponder messages to sell to your list that you have been acquiring through your affiliate marketing efforts. And what you want to do is we recommend you either use GetResponse or Aweber, because those are the top autoresponder companies on the internet in our opinion. And what you want to do is, if you want to have your own autoresponder messages created and you either don't have the talent or the time to do so, then once again, just as mentioned in the previous two videos, you can use Get a Freelancer, or you can use the people at Digital Point and post there for writers to write a series of autoresponder messages for you. Now, another option that you have available to you, particularly if you are selling products on ClickBank, is to buy some that have already been done. Now, I'm going to show you an example here of some that I actually have, and here's one for Google Snatch, for example. And I'll spread this open a bit so you can see a little more. Okay. Now, this particular series of autoresponder messages comes with the information from ClickBank on what this particular product pays, the commissions, the gravity, just about anything that you need to know. Plus it has the home page so that you can actually review the site yourself. And here's the subject line: how to get instant targeted traffic without paying for it. And of course, on these, what you would want to do is you want to scroll down here and you want to change these affiliate links to your affiliate link. Now, once you've done this, you're going to have a URL that looks like this if all you do is just put your ClickBank user ID in there. Now, what I recommend personally is doing more of a cloaking thing, and you can only do this properly if you have your own server. If you don't have your own server, you can use a service like tinyurl.com or SnipURL. But what I recommend is having your own server so that you can do something different. And let me show you what I mean. Now, this is a simple PHP redirect script, and with this particular script, all you would have to do is simply input the publisher's ID here, or your ID, I'm sorry, and then the publisher's ID where it says publisher ID. So, just to show you side by side, in this example, One Tribe is the person's ID at ClickBank. That would be your ID, the affiliate. And GSnatch is the publisher ID. So, for example, if we were going to make this a cloakable link, we would put One Tribe in here and GSnatch here. And then we would save that file, whatever we want to name it. If we want to name it gsnatch.html or whatever, or I'm sorry, it needs to be named .php because this is a .php file. So you would name it a .php and then upload it to your server. So if your website is affiliatemarketingprograms.com, then maybe what your link would be affiliatemarketingprograms.com/gsnatch.php. And what that would do when you put that link in there is it would cloak that so that instead of putting in this over here, the onetribe.gsnatch.hop.clickbank, you would have affiliatemarketingprograms.com/gsnatch.html or .php rather. And that way, not only are you cloaking the link, but you're making it look more professional. And I recommend actually even buying some domains to use just for affiliate marketing programs. For example, you can buy a domain with your name and, like, say John recommends or John reviewed or something like that. Use your own imagination, and that way you can actually load all of your affiliate links into that one website and use it that way. So you can get quite a few of these. The ClickBank sets are available out there, and there's, I think, probably 180 messages available if I'm not mistaken, and we'll provide you with a way to pick those up if you like. And then also you can look for people to create actual custom programs for you. Now let's get back to the autoresponder. Okay, and we're back at GetResponse, and all we want to do here is just go into our account, and what we're going to do is, if you first get into GetResponse, you're going to have to set up your own campaigns and that type of thing. So you're going to want to set up an autoresponder, and since I have some already set up, you can see these here. When you set up an autoresponder, you're going to choose one of these campaigns or do a new campaign if you're just now starting. So you would go here and go down here and create a campaign. And let's say it's affiliate test video. Okay. And you can put your reply email here if you like. I'll put affiliate test video. You can put whatever you want to put in here. I'm just putting this in here so that we can go on. And click Create a New Campaign. And then what you're going to want to do is create follow-up messages. And I usually go with plain text here. So I'm going to scroll down and click Next Step. And what we'll do is we'll use the example of the one that I just showed you. So all we're going to do here is we're going to copy and paste it in. And we're going to want to put that subject in that we had. How to get instant targeted traffic without paying for it. And scroll down here and see I have it customized with just my hop link, but as I said, my suggestion is to cloak these links. And what you want to do, as mentioned before, is just use a PHP script, which we can provide for you, or you can find on your own, and put that in there instead. It's really simple to do these. You can load your autoresponders up where you're sending messages out to people 2 or 3 times a week and pick up some extra sales. So that'll wrap it up for this video series, and see you in the next time.